Okay, so here we have a wireless car charger from CHOETECH. It's compatible with the iPhone XS, XS Max and iPhone XR, X8, 8 Plus, Samsung Note 10, S10, S10 Plus, Note 9, S9, S8, S8 Plus and also LG and Pixel. So Google Pixel phones it's compatible with. So this wireless car charger uses key wireless fast charging and it uses USB Type-C to connect it. So it fits all these phones but it charges it wirelessly. You connect the car charger, the holder to your car by USB Type-C. So this is excellent for my Mercedes car. My brand new A-Class Mercedes car, so it will be interesting to try this out. But first I will do an unboxing of this one and then later I will test it here in the studio and lastly I will test it directly in my Mercedes car. So hang in there, let's start. So we start by unboxing this box. So I think this is what's in the box. Like that. So here we have some kind of sticker from CHOETECH. Nice. Here we have a user manual in English. Here we have a USB Type-C cable, as you can see. It's for connecting it to your car. And here we have the holder itself for the car charger. Nice. And here we have the suction cup. The suction cup to mount it. Here we have a protection plastic because this is very strong suction cup. So when we remove this you can start using it basically. So let's build this up and try it in the studio first and then later on in the car. Okay, so here we have all the parts. You can do different settings with. So you can lock this arm, for example, in any angle I want. As you can see, the suction cup doesn't get fastened in this material so good, so you need to wet up the suction cup and do it for real, but this is wood, so that's not so good to do here. But let's see how you can do some settings with this one. I can lock it and I can make this arm a lot longer, as you can see, and lock that with that one, and I can lock the angle with this one, as you can see. And as you can see, I have connected a USB Type-C cable to a charger from this charger, so it's a green light here, so it charges this phone. And also you can have these foots in different angles, and also this by clicking on buttons on the back of the charger. So a lot of different setups you can do with this one, so it will be interesting to see how this works in my car. In my car has USB Type-C connections built into the car because it's a brand new Mercedes A-Class. So it has already USB Type-C directly in the car, so that's really cool, I think. So I don't need a charger to the cigarette plug or anything, so I can just plug in this cable directly into my car. That's kind of neat, I think. So it will be really cool to try this. So let's see how it looks in my car then. Okay, so here we have the setup in my Mercedes-Benz. As you can see, I didn't set it in the windshield. I set it here with a suction cup there, because the suction cup is not so strong, I think. Not so strong, so this heavy iPhone XS Max can't be set up correctly with the suction cup, so I have it like this now. Then the suction cup holds the phone in place. So not the ideal solution, but it works actually, so quite nice. So now my phone can be charged through the USB port in my car. It works, but not ideal. You can check links down below in the description text to where you can buy this car charger, car holder, if you want. Okay, bye.